Whirlpool range production has moved to Findlay, so Whirlpool can move even more ranges to your dealers. Modern manufacturing. Range production utilizing the very latest manufacturing techniques and equipment. The big idea is more availability and greater market share and range profits than ever before. And Findlay people are known for their quality touch, from cabinet to cooktop. And now it's power-up time. Every range that comes down the line must prove its baking and cooking performance before it gets out the door. Surface units and oven, control accuracy. And for self-cleaning ovens, a special test area where all self-cleaning built-in ovens and freestanding ranges go through the complete self-cleaning cycle. But Whirlpool's Consumer Acceptance Lab wants to be absolutely certain that those ranges are performing up to specifications. So it randomly selects range products from the distribution warehouse and runs its own tests. When the consumer selects certain settings on the infinite heat controls, will the heating elements respond accurately? It could be the difference between Eggs Benedict or something the cook scrapes from the frying pan into the sink. Meanwhile, materials and vended parts arrive for more Whirlpool range production. They find it's just as hard to get in the door as it is to get out the door. First, they must pass rigid inspections. These infinite heat control switches for surface units must perform with precision before they get Whirlpool's green light. And they do. In fact, it's green light all the way for Whirlpool ranges. So keep 'em moving. They're headed your way.